B. Adequate performance requirements. This defines the role expected device or system. A system may perform satisfactorily even though one or more components may not be functioning. In reality analysis, there is a need to define the magnitude of satisfactory or adequate performance system. See duration of adequate performance. The duration of adequate performance is used to state the time up to which the desired performance of the system is achieved under the given operating conditions. D. Environmental or operating conditions. Environmental conditions indicate the prevailing conditions at which the system is under operation. 2. Explain briefly about the principles of maintenance and maintenance planning objectives. What are the objective and principles of planned maintenance activity? Maintenance planning involves the assignment of jobs to the maintenance crew. Job assignment must be done on the basis of proper scheduling of the maintenance work. Objectives of maintenance planning: 1. To achieve minimum breakdown and to keep the plant in good working conditions at the lowest possible cost, to ensure the availability of the machines and services in an optimum working conditions. 3. To keep the machines and other facilities in a condition to be used to achieve the maximum profit without any interruption or hindrance. 4. To keep the time schedule of delivery to the customers or section for further processing. 5. To meet the arbitrary requirements for the critical requirements. 6. To control the cost of maintenance related activities. Principles of maintenance. It is followed in the system to guide the staff to work efficiently to achieve the overall objectives of the maintenance system. Plant management in maintenance work. The main role of maintenance function is to provide safe and effective operation of the equipment to achieve the desired targets on time with economic usage of resources. Production and maintenance objectives. The plant operation is driven by the production targets. The objective of the maintenance function is to support these targets. The achievement of desired goals of the production system is to be supported by both maintenance department to ensure the smooth and successful operation of the industry. Establishment of work order and recording system. The maintenance system should have proper work order and record system. The work order for the maintenance function indicates the nature of work to be performed and the series of operations to be followed to execute a particular job. Information-based decision making. The maintenance objectives are successfully achieved by the use of reliable information systems. This information is used to meet the manpower and spare parts requirements of the industry. Adherence to planned maintenance strategy. A sound maintenance management should be there to the planned maintenance strategy. This also includes the use of the manufacturer's information on the life and maintenance schedules of the equipment and other material resources available. Planning of maintenance functions. All the maintenance functions are to be carefully executed by a way of proper planning to ensure the effective utilization of manpower and materials. Manpower for maintenance. The manpower requirements for the maintenance system must be carefully evaluated based on the time and motion study. The requirement should also satisfy the need arising in cases of overhauls, components requirement, emergency and unscheduled repairs of workforce control. Determination of exact workforce required to meet the maintenance objectives of this system is difficult task due to the element of uncertainty. Here the proper of workforce are needs to be ensured. Role of spare parts. A good maintenance management system requires appropriate tools, so the system should have good quality tools and that too available in required quantities to ensure the proper function of the maintenance works. Training of the maintenance workforce. Training of the workforce must be integral part of any good maintenance management system. Training helps the workforce to learn about the modern techniques, recent trends in the maintenance, knowledge of sophisticated instruments, and to chalk out a strategy to meet the growing demands of the industry. Explain the maintenance functions and maintenance department. Maintenance is the routine and recurring process of keeping a particular machine or asset in its normal operating conditions so that it can deliver the expected performance or service without any loss or damage. The functions and activities of the maintenance organization are as follows. 1. Identify areas for implementation of preventive maintenance program. 2. Making suitable arrangements for maintenance facilities for carrying out the maintenance work properly. 3. Ensuring proper timely supply of spare parts. 4. Managing proper inventory control of materials, spares and tools required for the maintenance. 5. Standardization of maintenance work. 6. Implementation modification. Implementing modification to the existing equipment wherever possible. 7. Analysis of future demands and forecast the role of maintenance activities. 6. Training of maintenance personnel. 8. Training of maintenance personnel. 9. Ensuring safety of personnel and equipment. 10. Identification of obsolete and surplus equipment for replacement and disposal. 11. Analysis of future demands and forecast the role of maintenance activities.